What's up, guys? It's Nasar, aka the Real Estate Doru. I'm not a guru, I'm a Doru because I actually do this business. Can you wholesale fire damaged houses? Like, can that be done? I'm in front of this particular property, right? Fortunately, nobody was hurt when I was riding past in the neighborhood, right? It's caught my attention. So what I did, pulled up my deal machine app, durudriving.com, 7-day free trial. You're gonna get some free skip traces in that and anything. I pulled out my app to get the address, right? Because you see there's no address. Also with these, you can walk up to them, and if they have a tag on them, normally the tag has an address on them as well. This is a total loss, right? This is a total loss. As you see, the windows are burnt out. Basically, you're just buying for land value. If you walk around here, you know, it's a lot going on in the neighborhood. So that's the center that Michael Jordan donated. That's the city skyline. Those houses back there cost $500,000-$600,000. Townhouses go for like $400,000. The whole house is just done. It was an electrical fire. Nobody was hurt again, you know, fortunately. But that's why when I get rehabs, I take them down to the studs. I spend a lot of money in them, updating that electrical to bring it up to code, because you got that old electrical wire, a fire could start. With something like this, right, it's a total loss, right, as you can see. If he has insurance on it, insurance cuts him his check, this property is good for land value. And the land is valuable around here, so that would be the play. You'll just build something else, but you can't wholesale it. So, but you as a wholesaler, you will offer the price for land. Let's say lots over here get like 50, right? Your offer is probably gonna be 35, 40, right? Because you want to sell it for 50. I just pulled those numbers out. Land can get a lot more around here depending on how good the lot is. You got the skyline over there. There's some value here, man, but don't sleep on these, man. These fire damaged houses, you know, you can make money off those too. Hopefully you can, you know, the homeowner's already taken care of because they got the insurance payout. So they're like, well, whatever I can get for the house or the land, that's just icing on the cake. 9weekcourse.com, you get the free wholesaling course. Check that out. Please like this video. Like this video for me. Just do that for me. Comment below. Do you wholesale fire damaged houses? Just comment below. Let me know if you ever done one before, man. Until then, I'll see you in the next vid.